The Daily Advertiser, Lafayette's oldest news source, may be on the verge of extinction because of a change in public notice law, and that has big implications for local media. For decades, the Advertiser has been the official journal for Lafayette Parish. Local governments pay the Advertiser to advertise their meetings, public bids, and other activities as required by law. It's a lucrative business, worth hundreds of thousands of dollars each year. For smaller newspapers in rural towns and parishes, those funds can keep them afloat, especially at a time when money from advertisers and readers in traditional news has been declining for decades. Lafayette Parish State Representative and former Councilman Josh Carlson's HB 977, which goes into effect August 1st, will open up competition. The new law cuts requirements that made the Advertiser the only newspaper that could qualify in Lafayette Parish. Now the Advocate could compete and get that business. If that happens, it could be the final nail in the Advertiser's coffin. That will mean Lafayette's news landscape will look a lot like the rest of the nation's, where news deserts are becoming much more common. The Advertiser has shrunk considerably in the last decade. Its parent company, Gannett, owns hundreds of newsrooms across the country, and it's gone through several rounds of layoffs over the last few years. Losing a contract worth hundreds of thousands of dollars each year could spell the end for an institution. The Advertiser isn't just Lafayette's oldest newspaper, but its oldest continuously operating business. The decline in local reporting was a big reason why we started The Current. The potential loss of the Advertiser is just a reminder of how fragile our news ecosystem is. If local news is important to you, consider donating to The Current on our website or buying a subscription to your local paper. Without community support, local news isn't going to stick around. Until next time, I'm Elliot Wade, and this is Lafayette.